Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to discuss you and teach you database restore in Microsoft SQL Server. Using Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, it's a very pretty easy to restore your database which is already taken a backup file of with the extension of .bak. Our previous lecture, we have discussed and very clearly detailed information given about how to take backup from the database. Please go through it once if you have not gone. And now to restoring that particular .bak file, it's very pretty easy. For you to better understand, I'm creating a new database instance and there I'm going to restore once we have taken a backup of the restore point of ecom.bak. All right, now let's start the session here. Begin here comes to databases part. Right click here, new database. Select the new database as the first option. Once you will see this window, you just click here the database name. The new database name I can give it is in a store. Ecom store I can give the new name. Okay, just simply one name is sufficient here. Yeah. Ecom store is my database name. I have a given newly. Now just click OK to create your database successfully. That's it. If you want to see and elaborate more options, you can check here. It's okay for you. And now I'm just clicking OK. That's it. The database instance will automatically created here. That is the pretty easy while functioning with the SQL Server Management Studio and interacting with the Microsoft SQL Server. It's a very easy to handle your database server. Now, what I am doing by making the backup of this file is there, this ecom.bak, I can restore to this ecom store. See here, while expanding this like a newly created database, we'll see the tables. By defaultly, it will create the replica of the new creations like system table filters, general and external tables and graphs. These are the hierarchy newly created structure. It will be like this. There is a no custom tables here. Have you seen? Now we will see how to restore. Right click on the database, go to task and select the restore. Just click the restore here and database. Select the database. The option is you have to right click on the newly created database, go to task and select the restore and select the database. The whole complete database we are going to restore. You will get this window now. Okay, restoring database, you will get it. Now what you want to do is from the database it is asking and from the device. We have taken a database backup to our disk. So we have to take device and now you just click the three dots of the menu. It is there. You just click that button. It is the file, local file only, not URL, and add the path where we have saved and stored backup. Go to backup. In my computer system, it is backup here. Yes. Now see here, ecom.bak. This is the backup we have taken. Okay. Under the backup, this is the ecom.bak, the file which is we are discussed to restore this one. Now select the BAK file and click OK. And again you press OK. Now see here, all it is done. Everything is ready. What you have to do, just press go. And before going to, it is the option a tail log backup source database will be taken and see the settings. Go to the files and options. Uncheck the tail log backup. Just simply and overwrite existing database if any with replace. If any tables are unfortunately it is there, it automatically restores the database. Otherwise, it's also not required. Okay, go to general now, click OK. Very simple. It's a very a little bit a small database only with the low tables, around 10 tables I hope. For the practical experience, I am showing you to understand how to restore a database and backup. For the purpose, I have taken these small databases. As your wish, the database length, how much it would be. Your wish to take. The procedure is same. Okay. Now see the message, database ecom store restored successfully. Just press OK and the window is OK. And refresh. Now check the tables, expand here. Is there available any database new tables? Like see here, these are the new tables which are came from the restoring of the database. And similarly, we'll check for is there any data within the tables. Like which one we'll take for testing? I need much data. Yeah, this table we'll try to check. Like sales.order items. Select star from sales dot yes yes sales dot or why it's not coming means it should select like a ecom store database, then it will come. Okay, sales dot. Now see here the all the tables which are coming from like a sales scheme. Now terminate this, execute. See, we are able to getting the data even schema as well as the data. That is the way. It's a very simple, pretty simple technique to restore a database to your Microsoft SQL database servers. All you have to do is always you try to make it as a new database, create a new database and restore into the database to that new database will give you some ideology very clearly. Otherwise, you can take it as an independent table, take a backup and restore to the database. Also, it can be possible. All you have to find out here, many of the options are available. Like take a task, like a generating scripts, independent script, you can generate it and restore into the database wherever you require. Okay, that's all about this session to database restore. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.